Right, in this video I'm going to do my yearly exhaust rust proofing. So I use Halford's very high temperature paint. It goes up to 500 degrees centigrade Celsius. Colours obviously silver, calls it aluminium, and if you look here, withstands temperature up to 500 degrees, provides a durable corrosion protecting matte finish to enhance the appearance of high temperature areas of the engine. And they've got pictures of the inlet manifold, some sort of exhaust pipe maybe, I'm not sure. So excellent stuff. You need to give your exhaust a bit of a clean first, and you need to have your mask of whatever. Everyone's got masks now, some sort of barrier for the paint so don't get in your lungs. Better to get the high quality stuff to use that. Alright, so the reason why I do that is I haven't really, I shouldn't say never, I haven't changed my exhaust in decades from doing this. So the car would also, the car would fade away and be scrapped before the exhaust gets done. That's the main reason, because changing exhaust is very, very tiring. It's very exhausting, believe it or not, excuse the pun. Right, so let's get to it. To give your bottle of Paint Good spray, I'm just going to do the rear today and maybe the front another day. So obviously the front and rear you do separately, because you can't jack up your car unless you've got one of them hoists you find in garages. Maybe lucky enough to have one of them. So let's go under. Here we go. So on the Honda Civic, the car I'm working out, of course, is work on any car. Exhaust looks like it's on the right hand side. But I remember, and it looks like it's in good condition from last year. But still, weak points is see where it goes into the muffler. That's my limit for reach today. Get it, see where the join is, the pipe joins onto the muffler. That's the spot you want to get a lot of paint on. And as simply as, make sure you shake it. So it's got a bit of a reach on it. So let the paint do the work. It's because it's in such good condition. Just going to give it a once over. One can, $8.99 from Halfords, can do 2 cars. All these areas here. Just go right through the bolt. Don't worry about that. Reason being, they'll all end up getting chopped off or hacked off if it comes down to having to replace the exhaust. So that's already that bit done. Quick as that, really. So we have, I'm not even looking, I know it's got to be there. You guys, I'm going to have to display it there. Don't do what I'm doing. Make sure it goes on where you want it to go. This silencer or gas divider area will be a likely spot, and again, right in there. Don't get it on the wheel. Obviously, if this is an expensive car, you don't want your wheels silver, like I just made a mistake, mask it off. But a quick job and I'll get me by kind of car. Once rust sets in, that's it, you've had it. You basically had it. Here we go. And I think this is the original exhaust as well. So doing well. There we go. Don't worry about these bolts, just go right over them. Just get them in areas like that. That's it. So one can does 2 cars. So one can does 2 cars. I've done half of the Honda rear end, front end, and then the other car at some point. Alright, thanks for watching. Simple as that. And a quick job like that could save you lots and lots of time having to take off an old exhaust or in the future. Very, very difficult. I don't think I would bother trying to take off exhaust. So exhausting. You need one of them cranes. So it's definitely a garage job, I think, exhaust. Alright, hit the like, subscribe button. Thanks for watching.